Leaving the emerald depths of the rainforest behind, we emerge into the brilliant light of the Pacific coast. Here, the jungle meets the sea in a dramatic dance of earth and water. The coastline is a masterpiece of natural architecture carved by the relentless energy of the tide over millions of years. But as we follow the shore, the rugged cliffs give way to sanctuary, the endless stretches of golden sand that define the Costa Rican dream. Every step here is a meditation. The rhythm of the waves and the rustle of palm fronds are the only music we need. Local inhabitants, like this sun-drenched iguana, remind us that this paradise belongs to the wild first and foremost. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. A coastal trail leads us higher, offering glimpses of hidden bays where the water is a clear, inviting turquoise. These secret coves are the jewels of the Pacific, often accessible only to those willing to wander off the beaten path. The monkeys here are just as curious as the travelers, foraging for treats in the shade of the coastal canopy. Even the smallest residents have a busy life, navigating a world of sand and sea spray. The power of the Pacific is on full display as the swell meets the land, a constant reminder of nature's raw strength. Brown pelicans glide in perfect formation, masters of the air and sea, searching the depths for their next meal. Where the rivers meet the sea, we find the mangroves, a complex nursery for countless marine species. The roots form an underwater labyrinth, protecting life from the open ocean beyond. Silence reigns here, broken only by the occasional splash or the call of a hidden bird. Returning to the open shore, the sun is high, and the sand is warm beneath our feet. The tide leaves behind treasures from the deep, fragments of a world we can only imagine. Every piece of driftwood tells a story of a journey across the vast expanse of the ocean. The true magic of the Pacific coast is its solitude. You can walk for hours without seeing another soul. Even on the salt-swept sand, life finds a way to bloom, adding splashes of color to the golden landscape. High above, frigate birds soar on thermal currents, the graceful guardians of the coastal skies. The tracks in the sand tell of ancient visitors who return year after year to fulfill a timeless cycle. The Pacific is a playground for those who seek to ride its energy, a place where humans and nature meet in a perfect flow. As the afternoon wanes, the light transforms the coast into a cathedral of gold. The receding tide reveals a miniature world of life in the rocky pools along the shore. The day's journey is coming to an end, but the most spectacular show is just about to begin. The Pacific sunset is a symphony of color, a daily reminder of the beauty that surrounds us in this incredible land. Our journey isn't over yet. In part 3, we leave the coast and head inland to the fiery heart of Costa Rica, the volcanoes. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.